Setting up your Poly Studio X52 video bar is quick and simple. The Poly Studio X52 ships with the Poly Studio X52 video bar, a display clamp mounting kit, one HDMI cable, one Ethernet network cable, one AC power adapter, and a power cable. The ports on the back of the device include two HDMI out ports, one HDMI in port, one USB-C port, one port for an expansion microphone, which can be purchased separately, two USB-A ports, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and an AC power port. To start, please place the device on a flat surface near your display. Next, take the HDMI cable and connect one end to the HDMI port, labeled 1, on the Poly Studio X52 video bar. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your display. The Poly Studio X52 supports up to 2 displays. To add a second display, purchase a second HDMI cable and repeat this process with the HDMI port labeled 2 on the Poly Studio X52 and your second display. Then take the Ethernet network cable and connect one end to the RJ45 port on your Poly Studio X52. Connect the other end to an Ethernet port. Now plug in the AC power cable to the AC power port and a power source. The device will turn on automatically. If you have purchased a Poly Touch controller with your video bar, such as a Poly TC10, please now follow the instructions included with the Touch controller to pair it to your Poly Studio X52. If you purchase the Touch panel bundled with the Poly Studio X52, the Touch panel will already be paired. An optional expansion microphone can be connected at any time. You can remotely manage and monitor the Poly Studio X52 by adding it to Poly Lens. Your system may have been pre-configured by IT. If not, you can register by using the QR code or through the web address using the device key. If your system requires further software setup, you will be prompted to do that now. You can navigate through setup prompts using either a paired Poly Touch controller, separately purchased Poly Studio X52 remote, or a USB mouse. If using a USB mouse, simply connect it to the USB-A port on the back of the video bar. Please note that this is the standard setup. For custom setups, you will need to configure your device via the web UI. Please check for any software updates and apply them if available. Once you have navigated all screens, it's time to mount the Poly Studio X52 video bar. Please follow the instructions provided with the mounting kit you ordered. While the Poly Studio X52 comes with a display clamp, you also have the option of separately ordering a VESA mount, wall mount, or stand. Please review the included instructions carefully, as you may need a specific type of screwdriver for installation. Additional instructional material can be found by scanning the QR code in your mounting kit. Your Poly Studio X52 video bar is now ready for use.